Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through creating a line in Canva. Let's begin. First, open your Canva project. Select elements from the menu. Search for line and click on shapes. Now choose the type of line you want to use. Drag the line to the location you prefer on your design. Next, let's customize this line. Select the line color that suits your design. Choose the line style that fits your project. Adjust the line start and end points as needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Select the line type that best complements your design. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.